Setcrete Rapid S1 is a rapid setting, flexible, polymer-modified cementitious tile adhesive for floors and walls. Suitable for interior and exterior use, it has a 45-minute pot life and an open time of 25 minutes once applied. Before applying the Rapid S1 tile adhesive, make sure the area is sound, clean and free from dust, dirt, grease and contamination. Prime the surface using Setcrete acrylic primer, following the instructions on the datasheet. Pour 4.2 litres of clean, cold water for Rapid S1 white or 4 litres for Rapid S1 grey into a clean mixing bucket. Gradually add the 20 kg bag of powder to the water while stirring with a power whisk fitted to an electric drill. Mix for 2 minutes, remembering to scrape the sides of the bucket halfway through to ensure all material is fully mixed. Continue mixing until a smooth, creamy and slump-free consistency is achieved. Let the adhesive stand for 2 minutes before whisking for a further 30 seconds to help maximize the pot life. Using a notched trowel, apply the adhesive, creating straight ribs in your preferred direction. Using the trowel, back butter the tile, making sure it's completely covered to ensure a solid bed fixing with no voids. Place the tile in the desired location and either twist or slide it in the opposite direction to the ribs to allow for full coverage of the adhesive. Apply pressure across the entire tile, making sure there is full contact with the adhesive. Add a minimum of 3 mm spacers for alignment on floors and a minimum of 2 mm spacers on walls, and repeat the process until all tiles are installed. Setcrete Rapid S1 tile adhesive is available in both white and grey and can be used for bed depths up to 15 mm and is set ready for grouting from 3 hours. It's suitable for porcelain, ceramic and natural stone tiles over a wide range of substrates, including those that are subject to limited movement and vibration.